clean lip products are good. You are ingesting some of your lip products. So all of our stuff is always made with those clean products. In the kit, it gives you the exact amount of beeswax you need. And then when you open it, the recipe is like right inside. So we'll start by putting in the beeswax. This takes the longest to melt. Beeswax, like, obviously doesn't come in these teeny tiny bowls when you get it from hives, but we sell it this way because it's easier to work with and it melts faster. So we put that in there. And then this is your mango butter. Unfortunately, does not smell like mango, but is super softening, hydrating, it's anti-aging. So I would rather have a mango butter or shea butter than like petroleum or vegetable oils, mineral oils, things like that. And I have a little silicone spatula that I'll use to kind of melt this down. This will melt pretty quick because it's a smaller batch. And then I will add, every kit comes with a little glass bottle of sunflower oil too. This would be like your oil. So I'm gonna pour that in. And we sell a lot of carrier oils here at the shop. We have almond oil and jojoba, evening primrose. So we have customers who make lots of different stuff with
Well, what does that mean, carrier oil?
So a carrier oil is like a base oil. So if you are familiar with aromatherapy and essential oils have gotten so popular now, a lot of essential oils you don't want to put directly on your skin. So you would put them in a carrier oil first, and then you can put them on your skin. Some essential oils like wintergreen can actually burn your skin if you put them directly on the skin.
Okay.
Super strong and concentrated. So that's why you want carrier oil.
You use coconut oil a lot as a carrier oil too, right?
And like we made these, so obviously you could keep buying kits, but the idea is that you make this and you're like, oh, that was super easy. Now I'm going to go buy big amounts of stuff and try my own variations and your own colors and that kind of thing. Almost melted already. I have my laptop where I would show you like a really cool above shot, but that would be also bad to drop the MacBook on the hot pot. So once this is all melted, which this is done, we do include a colorant. So again, like especially for women's products, if you want your lip balm to be tinted, typically it's tinted with lab-created dyes like Red 40, FD&C dyes, and those can cause a lot of reactions for people and sensitivities. So what we use for colorants is mica. So mica, like from rocks, color when you add the mica. And then the kit actually comes with 5 of these little clear empty tubes for pouring. That's why I like this metal double boiler, because it has a spout, so it's really easy to pour into these. So then I will take this off, turn this down, and I'm gonna let this cool for like 30 seconds, and then I'll add my essential oils to it. You don't have to add essential oils either. If you didn't want any scent, you could just leave it as is. But letting this cool down, if you work with essential oils at all, when they're exposed to heat, they dissipate and you lose all the properties in the scent. So if you put essential oils in like one of those tea light burners, that's why you're not smelling anything, because it's burning off the scent. The same thing with this, I just don't want it to be too hot when I add the essential oils. All the kits come with a little dram of oils. It's a citrus mint blend. I just find people like mint in lip balms, especially during the summer. It's refreshing. So the exact amount is in here. So I'll just pour this in and stir it. It smells really good. Okay. And then you just pour them in. So like I obviously have practice, maybe put a paper towel down when you're doing this, but a Pyrex would have a nice do this too. My daughter, that's who the shop is named after, she's almost 5, and so we make a lot of stuff at home. So I think for moms and kids, even dads and kids. My husband makes a bunch of stuff with her too. So, and this actually even left me with plenty extra. So they're all poured out and filled. These will dry in maybe 20 minutes, and then you can put the little caps on them. And then we also include labels. So if you wanted to label them and like do some artwork on them, you could do that too. And then that's it. It's super easy to make. Yay, done. We are doing too, I wanted to touch on, not related to this, but we partnered up with Neil Duffy of Think Tank, Tia of Done Classy Events. We are doing their T&D Birthday Treasures fundraiser. So they collect birthday for kids who otherwise would not get a birthday. That's bad for me to even think about someone not affording to be able to celebrate a birthday. So we're collecting like cake mixes, decorations, streamers, and frosting. There's a whole list of things, and we just posted that on our social media today. If you bring in any of those items, you get a free herbal tea sample from us too. So we're trying to like promote that to get people in as well, and it's just such a like amazing thing. A lot of people are doing at-home birthdays right now, so money's tight for many families too. So at least they can have a little birthday at home. But yeah, that's. And
we love you for putting a bit in your store. You're amazing.
Yeah, it's all decorated up front, so it looks pretty good. And then, other than that, we've been promoting the website, and like these kits just got added to the website too, so we can ship. We're still doing local pickup if people don't want to come in, and then the store's open 7 days a week as of now. So that's us. It's emeliasapothecary.com is our website, and then we're on Facebook and Instagram too.
Thank you so much, Alicia. This was super educational. I'm so happy that I have my little lip balm kit. I'm gonna do some lip balm making after dinner tonight, and I'll let you know how it comes out. Hopefully I won't make a big mess, because those kids are very tiny.